Home Thursdays, brought to you by the sponsors of MomsEveryday.com. Welcome to MomsEveryday.com. I'm your host, Jen Lennon, and today I'm here with Kevin Thibodeau. He is the owner of Western Roofing Specialists, and Bennett is with us today too. I believe he's head of security for Western Roofing.
Yes, head of security.
Welcome, Kevin.
Thank you.
Now, in the news, we've been hearing about roofing scams lately, and so I know you have a lot of information about us and what we should look for when it is time to get a new roof and what we need to know about insurance companies.
The first thing I would say on the roofing scams is the whole deductible issue is a hook. And
Okay.
the very first thing out of a roofing contractor's mouth is, I'll pay your deductible. You need to be suspicious, because that there is law concerning deductibles, what you can and cannot do. You need to be more concerned about getting a quality roof than you are about getting a deductible paid.
So there's no such thing as a free roof. If
There's no such thing as a free roof. Somebody's going to pay somewhere. The other thing is, don't make a claim unless you're absolutely sure you have coverable damage.
Okay.
Best way to do that is have a professional roofer look at it before you've made a claim with your insurance company. And lastly, know your roof and know your insurance contract. Know what your insurance company covers, what they don't cover. Insurance companies don't cover old, worn-out roofs. They cover damaged roofs.
So if I have a 30-year-old roof and I just want a new one, I can't call that in my insurance company?
When you say can't, it's not automatic.
Okay.
And you're less likely to have one. Insurance agents will get up and adjusters will say, this is a worn out roof. We don't have a specific date of damage. We don't buy you a roof. So it's a very specific idea, and you need to know what your insurance covers and what it doesn't cover.
That's excellent to know, and we can do that research then today.
Yes, you can.
Thanks for that information,
Thank you.
Kevin. For more information on this topic, you can go to our website, momseveryday.com. Thank you for joining me today and every day. I'm your host, Jen Lennon, for momseveryday.com. Moms Every Day, weekdays at 9:25 a.m. and 5:55 p.m. is brought to you by the sponsors of momseveryday.com.